I'm Jamie from Synapptic, and today I'm going to run through unboxing and using our Synapptic USB memory stick playback speaker, specifically designed for listeners of audiobooks and talking newspapers supplied on USB memory sticks. Today we will be unboxing a black and yellow high contrast speaker, but there is also a silver and black high contrast speaker available for order. For more information, please visit our website. Details can be found in the description below. Let's begin. After you place your order for your new speaker, it should arrive within 3 to 5 working days. It will be delivered in a shipping bag containing a brown cardboard box, the speaker instructions, and a Synapptic brochure and price list. To open the box, simply pull up the tab at the front and remove any packaging. Inside the box, there is a charging wire, an auxiliary cable, and a mains charger. Please note that mains chargers are sold separately to reduce electrical waste. And finally, the speaker. To remove the protective packaging, simply cut the tape and remove. The chassis of the speaker is made out of metal and is very sturdy. On the reverse of the speaker, on the far left, you will find an antenna socket. The auxiliary cable, which is provided, can be plugged into the antenna socket to listen to radio. Then we have the charging port, which has a raised yellow ring around it. To charge, insert the rectangular end of the charging cable into the mains charger. Take the smaller end of the wire and insert it into the speaker. When the speaker is charging, a red light will turn on. Once the speaker is fully charged, the light will turn off. Next, there is a line-in socket, which allows the output from a phone or other audio device to be connected to the speaker. Note, the cable for the antenna and line-in features are the same cable. Then we have the power switch, which is a protruding button. To operate, simply slide the power switch to the right to turn on the device. This will illuminate the bottom of the device with a blue light. Slide the power switch to the left to turn off the device. Finally, we have the microSD card slot, where a microSD card can be inserted. Now we will look at the top of the speaker, where there is a USB socket, which is where your memory stick can be inserted. This is indicated by a yellow rectangular high contrast raised area. Now, turning to the front of the speaker, there are 6 tactile buttons. Starting from the left, we have the mode button, which manually changes playback between the memory stick, micro SD card, and FM radio features. Then we have the play and pause button, which has a tactile raised dot to help differentiate it from the other buttons. Next we have the volume down and volume up buttons. Then we have the previous track button, which can be pressed to skip to the previous track or held down to rewind through the current track. Then finally we have the next track button, which can be pressed to skip to the next track or held down to fast forward through the current track. Turning to the bottom of the speaker, there is a stand with 4 small rubber feet to keep the speaker stable. Now we are going to do a small demonstration of plugging in a USB stick, the antenna, and navigating the speaker. First, we insert the USB memory stick into the USB port at the top of the speaker and turn on the device by sliding the power switch to the on position. The blue on light will illuminate the bottom of the speaker. The speaker will automatically start playing the audio from the USB memory stick. To switch modes between USB mode, radio, and microSD, simply press the mode button on the front of the speaker. By pressing the mode button again, the speaker goes back into USB mode. To toggle between pausing and playing the track, simply press the play button.
Be alive on the inside, ready to receive calls or emails, etc.
To turn the speaker down, simply press the volume down button. To turn the speaker up, press the volume up button.
If the device is not used for a number of minutes.
To skip to the
2.1.
previous track, press the
Turning the
previous
device on.
button.
To turn the device on when it is fully off. Chapter 1. About this user manual.
To skip to the
Thank you
next
for
track,
purchasing-
press the next button.
Chapter 2. Turning the device on and off.
Now,
phone
by
or
holding the
tablet has
previous button, the track can be
Chapter
reversed,
5.
and finally,
Changing
holding the next
magnification and
button, the
contrast.
track can be fast forwarded.
Removed or deleted.
Now, to play the radio, take the auxiliary cable provided in the box and insert it into the antenna port on the back of the speaker. Then, turn on the speaker. The speaker will automatically start playing the radio. To tune the radio, simply press the next and previous buttons until the desired radio station is found. So, today we've run through unboxing the Synapptic USB memory stick playback speaker, what's inside the box and the key features. If you found the video useful today, please like and subscribe. And for more information, call us on 0191 9097 909 or visit our website at www.synaptic.com. A link can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching.